Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Artaamena. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I am making World Environment Day drawing, which is super cute and easy and meaningful. Just follow the simple steps as shown in the video and make this drawing on Environment Day. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and hit the like button. I make super easy and beautiful crafts and drawings. And do not forget to give your beautiful comment in the comment section. Enjoy the video.
You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. Here's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.
I have made another drawing of Environment Day. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in the description. Follow me on Instagram where I post art reels and artworks. You will find it very helpful, so do follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box below. Homemade color paper, homemade glitter sheet, glitter tape and homemade stone sticker and Disney princess crown making. Link in the description below. Not forget to check out.
You know you're in love when you come for a seat, because reality is scenery without a tree.
If you haven't liked this video, do like this video and give your beautiful comments in the comment section. Your comments encourage me a lot. Subscribe for more such amazing videos. And if you make this drawing, send me on my Instagram page. I will reshare it on my Instagram story. Happy World Environment Day to all of you. Appreciate my efforts by like this video and comment down below how's it. Also share this video with your friends and family. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.